List kicks off with a smiling Walker James Thompson, celebrating the big number one as the Pillsbury Doughboy, I believe. A happy birthday to WJT in Mound Valley.
We've got a happy belated birthday to Tyler Barnett, turning 5 yesterday in Webb City. I love that costume. Look at that.
I don't know if it's costume or whether he's just staying warm.
It could be both.
Either way, I like it.
It's good.
Not that I wouldn't have any of those in my closet, perhaps, Tyler.
I don't know that I do.
Wear it well, my man. In the Parsons, we got a pair of birthdays because it's not only Levi, but Lucas as well, as the Wells twins celebrate their 6th. Happy birthday, kiddos.
Addison Van Beesler turning 10 in Frontenac. Of course, this comes with love from Papa and Nini. So happy 10th birthday, Addison.
It's an interesting story here about 10-year-old Stella Randall. Now, instead of gifts, Stella set out to help somebody else on her birthday, and she collected more than $325 in donations for our good friends at Golden Paw Animal Rescue. Stella, tremendous job by you. And special love from Mom and Dad.
It is incredible. Kids these days can do so much and go so far, and Stella, outstanding example of what kids can do. Well, we got to shout this one from the rooftops here. Hunter Cullum turning 10 in Wichita, Kansas yesterday. His grandparents, however, reside right here in the 4-state area, so they just wanted to make sure everybody knew. Hunter turning 10 today. Happy birthday, Hunter.
Speaking of 10-year-olds, we would not forget Miss Presley Seabolt. Presley, welcome to the double digits.
You know something I've never noticed until now? These birthdays are in numerical order of age. I've never paid attention to the list until today. So as we move on, we move up. Turning 11, John Hemrick from Humboldt. He's a 5th grader. Great photo there, John. I like that. See, here's the deal. He's not staying warm. He's not wearing a costume. I just like that shirt that he's got. That's a classy shirt, John.
Me too. Yeah,
very happy birthday to you.
Good dressed dude. Sweet 16 for Lily Black. Lily, happy birthday. And I want you to know special wishes from Mom and Dad, Mary, Thomas, and Scotty. Have a great 16th, Lily.
Somebody who's just a few days past 17, Chase Langston of Parsons. He's looking pretty good for 17. If I look that good at 17.
Mom and Dad doing the throwback right there to get him.
That they are. Happy birthday to you, Chase, as you continue to age gracefully.
Shayla Bogle. Well, milestone right there. Miss Shayla turning 20. Have a great day. She's in Chanute.
Morgan Myers in Joplin, a belated birthday going out there, turning 21. I vaguely remember my 21st birthday. Shayla from Joplin. Sorry, Morgan. Goodness, now I'm going back a step. Morgan, happy 21st birthday. Make sure you get out there, you enjoy it.
We'll find out more about why he vaguely remembers his 21st birthday here. That'll be on the podcast. John Westerhold. Oh, nice. Now I'm thinking about breakfast. Josh, nice get right there. He's celebrating his 32nd in Sheldon.
Kerry Treiber turning 39 today in Chanute, and a Chiefs fan. Of course, who around here is not a Chiefs fan? She's on the right side here. Kerry, very happy birthday to you.
And Roger Rush, a happy 45th birthday. Right, coming off a fancy event right there. May have been a wedding. Happy birthday, Roger, in Jasper.
Jim Armstrong, his birthday yesterday, turning 65 in Moran, Kansas. And a very happy birthday from Brenda, Jenny, and Lori Woods. And a happy birthday from us, Jim.
And in Erie, Peggy Yarnell. Miss Peggy celebrating her 68th. Miss Yarnell, have a wonderful day.
Kay Phillips turning 85, looking great for 85. If I could look that great when I get that much older, I would be blessed. Kay, very blessed, turning 85 in Parsons yesterday.
And also, Judy Grant, a happy birthday. Judy, celebrating in Columbus.
We've got Jim and Sherry Burke, great looking couple there. And get this, 54 years of wedded bliss in Parsons yesterday. So happy anniversary, Jim and Sherry.
And one more anniversary for Orville and Betty Smith. The Smiths celebrating their 66th anniversary. Congratulations. Orville and Betty are in Cherokee.
All right, Griffin Beechner turning 9 yesterday in Carl Junction. Happy birthday, Griffin.
Party on in War Dog country. Party on.
Oh my goodness, I see what you are saying here.
All right, Harold Yarborough, a happy birthday in
Miami, Oklahoma.
Kim Lawrence, a very happy birthday to you in
Miami.
Jimmy Salter celebrating his 65th. You can say happy birthday to Jimmy if you're in
Miami.
Juanita Hale, I want you to have a marvelous birthday as well. By the way, Juanita resides in
Miami.
And Carol Daniels, a very happy birthday. Carol is in
Miami.
I'm telling you, party on in War Dog country, man. Janine Robinson, a happy birthday to Miss Janine. She is in Baxter Springs. Bill Reed, celebrating a birthday in Chautauqua. Now, we return to Northeast Oklahoma. Grace Cunningham, a very happy birthday to you in
Miami.
Charles Patterson celebrates his 65th birthday. Charles is in
Miami.
And Linda Payton. Linda, I want you to have a marvelous birthday celebration, and the party commences in
Miami.
Now, here's Chris Warner with a very important birthday announcement.
You can send your birthdays to that email address you saw there. You can be part of the birthday club too. All you got to do is go to our website. You can sign up. You get special deals from local businesses. So what you need to do right now is go to KOAMnewsnow.com, sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.